2.5-month-long political stalemate in Jammu and Kashmir seems to be nearing an end. Today's meeting between People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti and Prime Minister Narendra Modi seems to have done the trick of bringing the allies together in government formation again. The picture is expected to become clearer in another 2 days when a meeting of the PDP's legislators has been summoned.
The end of governor's rule appears to be in sight in Jammu and Kashmir. Mehbooba Mufti's 2 visits to Delhi in the span of 5 days have thrown enough hints towards growing possibility of government formation in the state. Amidst political speculations, PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti called on PM Narendra Modi on Tuesday. Mehbooba said the half-an-hour meeting with the PM was positive.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ बहुत ही पॉजिटिव हमारी आज की मीटिंग रही. इट वाज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मीटिंग और पिछले जो 2-2.5-3 महीने से थोड़ा सा स्टेलमेट वगैरह चल रहा था, तो आज मैं मुतमईन हूँ. प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ मिलने के बाद मैं मुतमईन हूँ.
PDP has now convened a meeting of the legislatures on Thursday. It seems that the party will arrive at a decision there, and indications are that it will be a step taken in the direction of government formation.
श्रीनगर मैंने लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी की मीटिंग बुलाई है. आई हैव कॉल्ड अ लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी मीट ऑन थर्सडे. तो सिंस माय पार्टी हैड ऑथराइज्ड मी कि आप जो डिसीजन लेंगी, तो इसलिए मैं वापस जाऊंगी अपने लेजिस्लेटर्स के पास और वहां बैठ के हम आगे क्या करना है, कैसे चलना है, उसका फैसला करेंगे.
Earlier, Mehbooba had a round of talks with BJP President Amit Shah on Thursday too. The series of meetings indicate increased possibility of government formation in J&K. BJP has welcomed the steps taken by PDP chief and have said they are committed to the agenda of the alliance.
जहाँ तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रश्न है, हम जिस दिन हमने जो अलायंस किया था, जब 2 महीने लगा के हमने अलायंस किया और एजेंडा ऑफ अलायंस बना, हम तभी से स्पष्ट थे. लेकिन उनके मन में था कुछ, तो अभी क्लियर हो गया. अच्छी बात है.
Meanwhile, former state CM Omar Abdullah on Monday met Governor NN Vohra. He said instead of horse trading, his party would prefer mid-term elections. The state has been under governor's rule since demise of Mufti Muhammad Saeed. A tussle between BJP and PDP has been going on for a long time over government formation. BJP has repeatedly clarified that it will not accept any new condition for the alliance. Both parties have time till 9th April to form the government. On this day, the gap between the 2 sessions of Legislative Assembly will complete 6 months, after which the Assembly will have to be dissolved. Hopes are high that the matters will not come to such an event becoming necessary. With Ajay Vikram, Newsnight Desk, DD News.